Oh, then it vanished away from my hands. Dawn. I had a dream I was 7, climbing my way in a tree. I saw a piece of
Remember me?
heaven waiting patiently.
It's okay.
And I was running far away. Would I run off the wall someday? Nobody knows, nobody knows.